Something massive is happening behind closed doors at DJI Engineering Labs, and it completely rewrites what we know about micro drones, pocket content creation, and everyday casual flight. Over the last few days, an unexpected wave of internal component design leaks, corporate registration filings, and field prototype photos has broken loose on the global tech forums, all pointing toward an aggressive, highly sophisticated next-generation micro-aircraft called the DJI Neo 3. If you thought the ultra-lightweight drone space had hit a structural plateau limited by physics, battery chemistry, and single-axis mechanical camera stabilization, the raw data coming out of these new engineering schematics proves that DJI is ready to break every single rule in the sub-250-gram playbook. Industry analysts are calling this a direct, tactical retaliation against rising competitive pressures in the AI tracking pocket drone space. But looking deep at these physical component adjustments reveals that the DJI Neo 3 isn't just an iterative software update or a superficial aesthetic redesign. This is an entirely overhauled technological platform meant to change how content creators, solo vloggers, and mainstream tech consumers capture cinematic memories without carrying heavy bags, navigating dense aviation laws, or dealing with complicated manual flight setups. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The core design philosophy of the upcoming DJI Neo 3 hinges on a complete engineering overhaul of the frame design to conquer the two biggest enemies of micro-quadcopters, which are structural thermal choking and aerodynamic inefficiency. When we look closely at the leaked structural CAD files discovered in international supply chain tracking databases, the first major physical transformation that jumps out is the radical shift from fully enclosed, restrictive plastic safety cages to a highly engineered open grille propeller guard architecture. On previous ultra-compact drone iterations, the dense, continuous plastic shielding wrapped entirely around the spinning blades acted like an aerodynamic wall, causing massive air turbulence, trapping heat generated by high RPM micromotors, and forcing the drone to consume excessive electrical power just to stay completely stable in a light breeze. This new open grille configuration on the DJI Neo 3 utilizes ultra-strong, lightweight carbon fiber reinforced composite struts arranged in an optimized geometric pattern that provides total physical protection for human hands during palm takeoffs, while allowing clean, uninhibited airflow to pass vertically through the propulsion channels. By minimizing the structural footprint of the guards, DJI has dramatically lowered the surface area vulnerable to horizontal wind resistance, meaning that the DJI Neo 3 will maintain rock-solid stabilization in wind conditions that would easily buffet or destabilize older micro-aircraft designs. Furthermore, this open layout allows the heat dissipating from the newly upgraded internal processor to escape directly into the downward thrust column, using the natural movement of air to keep the internal circuitry cool during demanding high frame rate recording sessions. Speaking of recording power, the optical pipeline details extracted from these recent DJI Neo 3 hardware leaks point to a cinematic capability that completely defies the traditional physics of pocket-sized camera sensors. The leaked specification sheets show that the DJI Neo 3 is dropping the old, low bitrate setups to introduce a native 4K resolution camera capable of shooting at an astonishing 120 frames per second. For content creators working in fast-paced cinematic environments, having a palm-sized drone that can capture buttery smooth slow-motion footage at 4K resolution changes the entire creative landscape. To make this high-speed data capture possible without introducing heavy thermal sinks or increasing the overall weight past critical legal thresholds, the DJI Neo 3 utilizes a custom-designed, power-efficient image processing unit built on a new architectural node. This processor can compress massive streams of high-resolution video down into high-efficiency video coding files in real time, maintaining a staggering maximum video bitrate that ensures crisp details, minimal compression artifacts, and vibrant color tones even when flying rough, complex environments like dense forests or crowded urban spaces. The physical image sensor itself is rumored to be a larger, more light-sensitive element compared to standard micro-drones, featuring a wider native aperture that lets in a massive amount of ambient light to radically improve low-light vlogging performance. This means that sunset tracking shots, early morning beach runs, or indoor low-light family gatherings will no longer suffer from muddy textures, digital grain, or lost shadow detail, making the DJI Neo 3 a fully capable primary camera tool for serious digital storytellers. But a stellar camera sensor means absolutely nothing if the mechanical and digital systems keeping the image stable cannot handle the rapid vibrations and sudden directional shifts of a micro-drone in flight. The leaks surrounding the gimbal design of the DJI Neo 3 indicate a brilliant hybrid stabilization engineering choice that keeps the physical device incredibly light while delivering rock-solid visual smoothness. Instead of adding a heavy, complex, and fragile 3-axis mechanical gimbal that would easily break during a rough palm landing, DJI is implementing an advanced, reinforced single-axis mechanical tilt gimbal paired with an enhanced version of their proprietary Rocksteady and horizon-balancing electronic image stabilization algorithms. This mechanical tilt axis allows the camera to physically look straight up or deep down, giving creators access to dramatic vertical perspectives and dynamic cinematic reveals that are physically impossible on fixed-lens tracking cameras. The magic happens when this agile mechanical tilt is matched with the internal high-frequency gyroscope data, allowing the electronic stabilization software to crop into the ultra-wide 4K sensor readout and instantly cancel out any rotational wobble, wind buffering, or jerky flight movements. For creators who prefer a completely uncropped, raw cinematic perspective, the internal firmware of the DJI Neo 3 is rumored to record full, uncompressed sensor data directly alongside high-precision gyroscopic metadata files. This structural choice allows professional editors to import the raw files directly into advanced desktop stabilization software like GyroFlow or DaVinci Resolve, unlocking absolute control over the final look of the shot and allowing for flawless post-production stabilization tailored to the exact rhythm of a cinematic project.